Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video I will as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create a beautiful and stunning Instagram post on different niches. You can sell this service on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can reach the local clients and grab them. And also you have to go to google.com and search websites according to your niche, and ask them that you can maintain their Instagram presence and charge them. So that's it for today, and let's get started. So in today's video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful and stunning Instagram post on finance niche is very important, and you can also like grow your own Instagram page on this, or you can provide services. So I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best online graphic designing software, and you don't have to be an expert graphic designer or experienced graphic designer. You just have to start and it will do everything for you. So I'm going to create a design, and here I search Instagram post. I will choose square. It is loading. It's depend upon the internet speed, so let's wait for some seconds. So I write here finance. As you can see, it provides us different templates. We will choose one of them. I like this one. If you want to change the style, you can change the style. This is okay. And learn finance with us. This is good. After that, I would like to change the photo, so I go to photos and I search here finance. So it provides us finance related photos. So I think it's look great. You can also change the about us. We are the best training institute related to finance. You can also change vision, train these are the dummy text. You just have to get details from client and put the details in the template. You can also change out the phone number or office address. I put a dummy for the making purpose, and that's it. So as you can see, we created a Instagram post, beautiful Instagram post, in I think 2 to 3 minutes. So that's great. This is the power of Canva. So guys, if you don't know about Canva, go to my channel Iron Tech on YouTube, and go to playlist section and search the playlist Canva designing course. After watching the course, you can almost know everything about Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.